Hi. All right. This is my first time. No, actually, second time going live today. Thank you for joining the stream. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explore Svelte, and I'm probably gonna create some Linktree stuff. Yeah. So as you can see here, like Svelte is written by this guy called Rich Harris. My name is Haris and I want to be rich. So this guy. So if you go to his GitHub, let me stalk him for a while because I love stalk. Oh my god. Yeah, so he created Svelte and Rollup. So he got popular with Rollup, which is another bundler for JS, usually using JS frameworks, web frameworks. And now he's creating Svelte, which I think is pretty awesome. I like Svelte. Very nice. Okay. Alright, so this is just my first impressions on building Svelte apps. Right? Cool. Okay. Alright. Now, so Svelte is a cybernetically enhanced web. So I think I tried it like only for a while and it's fucking amazing. I don't know what else to say. If I were to go to like an example, HTML tags or whatever, right? So let's ring strong. Like when you update stuff here, it's immediate, you know. So like, god damn, I don't know. I just feel it very fast, right? And yeah, today I want to build this thing. Should I go through the whole? I think I should. I just go through the Svelte tutorial, just one tutorial, I guess. um then at least I have some idea on it. Okay, so yep, svelte app.svelte. So your file is name.svelte, a very long name, but makes sense, I guess. There isn't other. So Svelte is a JavaScript framework and whatnot. Let me change my, oops, dang it, Elizabeth. Should put my face here. Yeah, I think this is way better. Okay, so as well, understanding components. All right, go next. Component just render some static, so something like this. Okay, so okay lah. Why not I just type the whole thing? I think it has some like auto, whatever. Up, beep up, poop up, script, and it will auto. Yup. So and let name world. As you can see, my worlds. Okay, they can reference the name inside here. So I think I used the Vue before, but have very bad experience with Vue because I came from a Flutter background. Okay, so something cool. You see, no need to save or what. So I put layer Harris. What the fuck? It's so fast. That's fucking fast, man. Damn, son. That's like amazing. Hello, amazing. Like, god dang. Holy shit. Okay. I think my CPU is running very, very high. Okay, next. Let's go. So image src, you have an alt attribute. So alt, where you put stuff like, what is this? Dancing man. So dancing man, right? Unexpected token at 232. Oh, sorry. Dancing Queen, da 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 17, da. Dancing Man, and right, so quick. Right, so we can create our styles. One thing I don't like about HTML and CSS is CSS and HTML, which is, I just don't get it. But the creators have created like this. So you use the styles for the P, and yeah, I think it's okay. All right, so let's go next. You can create your own components, so nested components, something like I guess Flutter, where you can create your own small little components, or React Native, or whatever framework that's out there. It looks very similar to like a lot of things. So you go nested. First, you have to import. So let me copy this whole thing. Then you have to import then the nested components. Okay, P is the paragraph, and then you put the nested there. Okay, can I just copy this? Tutorial. Great. Okay, let me try this. Haha. Wow. Great. Holy, holy, holy. Strings are inserted as plain text, meaning the characters like this have no space. But sometimes you need to render HTML directly to a component. For example, the words you're reading right now exist in the markdown file that gets included in this page as a block of HTML. You can do this as add HTML. So add HTML string. Ooh. So, that's cool. Okay, this is why you should do some. Okay, so it doesn't perform any sanitization of the expression inside HTML before it gets inserted into the DOM. In other words, if you use this feature, then you manually escape HTML that comes from sources you don't trust. Otherwise, you risk exposing your users to XSS attacks. What the fuck is this? So you don't know, you just Google cross-site scripting, which is a type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into the otherwise benign and trusted websites. I learn better with images. So if you were to, oh wow, great. Okay, cool. So an example, where's number one? Perpetrator discovers a website having a vulnerability that enables script injection, so you can enter the script. Perpetrator injects the website with malicious script that steals each visitor session cookies. And then for each visit to the website, the malicious script is activated. Visit session is sent to, yes. So visitor can take your cookie and eat it. Eat it very well. Delicious. So it's like a bug. No, it's a spy thingy. It's not really a spy thingy. You could say that, you know. So yeah, hackers can do that. Why hackers exist? Why dumb people exist? You don't know why. User clicks, blah blah blah. Cool, right? So because there's no sanitization, anybody can put inside anything inside here. Right. I don't really understand the whole thing, but right. So you have to that you manually escape HTML that comes from source you don't trust. Okay. Right. Next. Design to get familiar process writing components. By some point, you want to start with writing components in the comfort of your own text. And first, you need to integrate several build tool that officially maintain plugins for rollout Webpack and a variety of community maintain one. Don't worry if you're really new to web development, haven't used these tools before. We prepare simple step to step. Oh, that's nice. We walk you through the whole process. Never use Nodejs or the command line, no problem. Oh, that's so nice of him. Wow. This is help you. Someone who has looked at the tutorial and wants to start creating stuff but doesn't have a time using. Oh, that's so nice. Damn, son. Oh, damn. I feel so happy. These people exist. Right. Okay. Node.js. I already have Node. I know what's npm. Creating a project. npx. So I didn't know what's npx though. So let's go here. What the fuck is npx? So an npm package runner. Okay. Check whether command binary exit command. Oh, so it's a helper for the npm. It's a tool intended to help round the experience of using packages for npm registries. The same way npm makes it super easy to install, makes it easy to use CLI tools and other executable hosts on the registry. Okay, cool. Right. Good job. Cool. Okay, so because Svelte is not a dependency, it is just a compiler. That's why they use npx. I guess that's how you can think about it right now. Packages JSON. Run dev, cool. is to take your application source or roll up. I think it's GitHub rollup.js. It's a module bundler. Yeah. Which compiles small pieces into something large. What? Oh, but I like the nice. It's a nice. Oh, come on, TypeScript. Come on, I need some TypeScript in my life. Okay. Pause on the programs. Building an app. Right. Cool. Nice. Excellent. Tercera. Wow. Angular, Next.js. Right. Very nice. Tercera. So it just compresses everything into one small little array thingy. Alright. Cool story. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna build an app. Then once you get your project set up, use Svelte component is easy. The component turns each component a regular JavaScript class. Just import it and instantiate with new. You can then interact with app using the component API. Oh, cool. Right. So cool. Compile CSS. Click. Oh, sorry. Haha. So you have button on click. So you got button on click. Okay, then you have this. Then you handle click. Alright, so click count now. Nope. Count. Even handler goes here. Cool. So you got count. Sorry. Plus equal 1. Fuck, man, I don't even have to save it. Damn! Some code tells the DOM will need to be updated. The HUD is well so powerful reactivity for keeping the DOM in sync with your application, for example, response to an event. To demonstrate it, we first need to wire up an event inside the handler check. All we need to do is change the value of count +1. Cool. Nice. Understandable. Updates the DOM when your component state changes. Often some parts of component state need to be computed from other parts, such as full name, derived from the first name and the last name, and recomputed whenever they changes. For this, we have reactive declaration. They look like this. Ooh. So you have this $sign. Don't worry if it looks a little, it is valid if unconventional JavaScript, which Svelte interprets to mean rerun this code whenever. Once you get used to it, there's no going back. Nice. Okay. So the doubled count p. Right. Let's use double in our markup. Of course, you could use count times 2 in the markup step, but you don't have to use reactive value. Become particular value when you need to reference them multiple times, or you have the values that depend on other reactive values. Oh, cool. So let me copy this. So it's a reactive value. And then this is here. Then you just put it down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what if it's let's. Okay. Because you use the count, so it has to get from the. Oh. What the fuck is so fast? Like, damn. We're not limited to reactivity's values. We can also run arbitrary statements reactively. For example, we can log the value of count whenever it changes. Great. So the count is here. We put it inside script, right? Okay, so click one time. Console. The count is 0. Click 2 times. Oh, so I never copy the whole thing. Cool. So 1, 2. Right, 3, 4. Nice. You can easily group statements together with a block. So this is this is fantastic. It's not like JS. It's fucked up. So you can group them reactively. Oh, nice. So okay. Wow. Nice. You can put this in front of things like if. So, oh wow. Active values. Cool. So nice. Cool. Sorry. I can put this as 0. So you put 1, 2, 9, count 0 and it restarts. Nice. Excellent. So using this will be reactive connector. Okay. Cool. It's like set state but not really. Yeah, because reactivity is triggered by assignments using array methods like push and splice. One way cause updates, for example, clicking a button doesn't do anything. One way to fix that is to add an assignment that will otherwise be redundant. So something like this. But that's a more idiomatic solution. Developers with their jargons. What is idiomatic? Continue natural to oh, natural. Okay. Just say natural lah. There's a more natural solution or elegant. Say lah lama. Sometimes people not good at their English. You just have to, explain to them idiomatic. Holy shit. English people with the English language. Just kidding. No. Alright, so numbers is a list of numbers. So when you add number, it will just increment the length of the number and you add 1. The sum is a reduce, which is reactive. Numbers plus numbers dot join. Okay, cool. Sum. So sum is reactive, right? So add this. Nothing happens because when we add number, it is only using the current number. So you have to you can do this, but you can also do this. So you can have the current number. So this is a spread operator. Why not just call it a triple dots? But yeah, it makes sense. Spread meaning it just spread out. So it spreads out. For example, like a banana, you split the banana and then you put inside the array so everyone can have it. And then you have numbers plus 1 kind of thing. So you add number. Wow, that's amazing. So numbers dot length. So that's numbers. Right. So elegant. I'll probably use this also. I have to use the spread operators more. I'm not very experienced. You can use similar patterns to replace pop, shift, unshift, and splice. Assignments to properties of arrays and objects. Object.foo plus 1 or array I is equal to x. Work the same way as assignments to the values themselves. So you have add number function using numbers length equal to numbers length plus 1. Right. Okay. Simple rule of thumb. The name of the updated variable appear on the left hand side assignment, for example this. Won't update reference to object foo dot bar unless you follow it with object equal to object. So you have the foo here, which is the object foo. So you have foo bar equal to bars, it doesn't update. Right? Object foo bar won't update reference. Okay. Just don't understand, just like yeah, correct. Can I do this? No, I can't. So I can, right? Let me see if this works. Yeah, it does. So numbers, question numbers, all equal numbers, line plus 1. Oh yeah, that works. Either way it works. Assignment to properties of arrays of objects work the same way as assignments to values themselves. Okay, so you mean like arrays and objects, so numbers. Assume the name of the updated variable must appear on the left hand side of the assignment. For example, this won't update reference to unless you follow the object. Okay, cool. Something like this lah, right? I think so too lah. I'm not sure. So far we've dealt with internal state. This is to say the values are only accessible within given up. You need to pass data from one component to children. To do that, we need to declare properties, generally shortened to props. I hate the word props, doesn't make sense. You just make it argument or what. Well, we do this by export keyword. I like this. It reminds me of. It reminds me of Flutter. Because Flutter does this. Like, Flutter has its own class, so you create your own props, which will then look like this. So one thing that like it feels to me about Flutter is that like imagine like Flutter has its own class, right? So yeah. So like you have your own class something, right? Or class button. Then this is like your props, and then this is like your UI. So that's like Flutter encapsulates very well. And then yeah, so nice. So it reminds me of, I really like it. Unexpected token 3.0. Sorry. That's not how export normally works in JavaScript modules. Just roll with it for now. It will become second nature. Yeah, I mean, when you learn something new, you just have to do it consistently until you get how it is. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. Just 4 and Apple 1. Wow, great. I feel it's like very fast though. You can easily specify default values. So an example is if we were to put the answer as, okay, fine, a mystery. Today is all about tutorials. And yeah, there you have it. But if you delete this, kabam! The answer is a mystery. Ooh, amazing. So recommendation for anyone who is listening to this dumb shit. I mean, listening to this, don't go on tutorials that often. Create something that you really want to do. So that will help you in a lot of ways. You know? Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, so one thing I like about JavaScript. Only thing that I really want Dart to have in JavaScript is this. When they create a map, right? Or when they create a object or whatever, right? They can do this, man. This is so good, so good. But in Dart, you have to create your own class, which is kind of to do this kind of like synthetic sugar, I guess. This is pretty awesome. Okay, because I think it converts to JSON, then yeah, it has that. Yeah. Anyway, if you have properties, you can spread them onto a component instead of specify each one of them. Like this. I think this is fantastic, but but you have to this is fantastic if the this is fantastic if the dev tool, right, or the linter helps, because if the linter doesn't help, right, then I can foresee this having to have a lot of bugs. I rather have this is way safer, because like you can see what exactly it is, because since you are taking it from an object, then that's fine, I guess. But this is a bit I foresee this to have maybe have a lot more mistakes. If you need to reference all the props that will pass in a component, including ones that won't declare with export, you can do so by accessing directly. It's not generally recognized as it's difficult for Svelte to optimize, but it's useful in rare cases. So you could use this, the question mark, the money sign, Rich Harris. I think it makes sense. He won the money sign. Or is it a JavaScript thing? I'm not sure. Anyway, if you get it, you get it. I mean, his name is Rick Harris. So if you want something reactive, you just put a dollar sign. Ka-ching. Anyway, HTML doesn't have a way of expressing logic like conditionals and loops. Svelte does. Right. HTML doesn't have a way of expressing logic like conditional loops. Svelte does. Ah, yes. Ah, yeah. So I think I like one thing about this is you can do that in Flutter. Amazing, like it helps a lot. If you want to show or not show anything, so you just do this. How long am I? Oh my god, still long way to go. Shit. So okay, a bit weird lah. So got this if, if you just cancel this if, I think it will look fantastic. But I understand because you want to group them inside. So yeah. So let me just put everything inside. Da, 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 da. Bam. So you log in and log out, log in, log out. Cool AF. Next. Since two conditions, if user logged in and if user logged in are mutually exclusive, we can simplify these components by using an else. Right. So you just delete everything here and then you put an else. Oops. Put an else. Right. The compiler here is so fast. Okay, a hash character always indicates a block opening, a slash closing, and is it front? Black. It's front slash. A colon character else indicates a block continuation. That don't you've already learned almost all the syntax at so HTML. Cool. Multiple conditions can be chained together with else if. Copy everything. So you got else if also, right? So this is top, bottom, and middle with the colon. Okay, simply simple. If you need to loop over list of data, use an each block, which is great. Oh, so UL, so you just use this each block. Was already destroyed. Oops, whoops. Okay. So you have the famous cat thingy, right? Great. Each cats as cat. Each cats as cat. Okay. It's just that I need to have some basics in HTML CSS. That's about it. I think in terms of like logic and like OP stuff, right, I probably know most of it. But damn, HTML CSS, I need something to really, just fuck me up. Fuck me up, baby. Alright, so this is the thing. Okay. Keyed each block. Okay, so these keys. Alright. We'll need some sugar. Keyed each locks. Oh my god. DOM event text inputs, select dimensions component, stores, derive stores. Yes, stores. The count is 1. So you have stores, decrement, resetter, and store. So server have their own store, cache, storage, storage. Yep, store is simply an object with a subscribe method that allows interested party to be notified. Redux or reactive, reactive. Because he used the word subscribe. You can have subscribers, RX. I guess RX as well. Also, I think they have it. Cool. Right. Yeah. I think the concurrent viewers is me. I'm looking at my dashboard, but yeah, that's fine. It's fine. Damn, live stream as well. Create my link from well. Get first reactions well. Edit upload. Yes. Okay lah, I mean, not bad, right? It's a writable store, update, addition to subscribe. Now go to increment, alright? And put this, alright? I will say alright a lot of times. Oh, can I see? Build bundling. Holy shit. Nice. So you can increase this and you go to reset. Then you can count.set. So count is from store.js. So you export a constant count. Whoa, why is it constant? But it's a writable thingy. Interesting. Then I would say this one would be -1. So n will return you the current store, and then you just -1, it will update itself. So okay, plus, minus. Cool. Right, okay. No, I just skipped everything. I'm like, oh, I care about this. Even though like the landing page, right, doesn't need anything, right? Yeah, doesn't. It doesn't need anything or everything. There have been a previous example, but that's a subtle bug. The unsubscribe function never gets called. Ooh. If the component was instantiated and struck many times, this would result in a memory leak. Alright. When memory leak happen. I know what memory leak is a type of resource leak that goes on a computer and correctly manage memory leakage in such a way that memory which is no longer is not released. Wow, that's something new today. Amazing. 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 Let count value unsubscribe. Count.subscribe value count value go to value. Harris, what are you talking about? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I like this. Ooh. Oh, fantastic. The count is count value. So you have to put on destroy, unsubscribe. Oh, okay. Don't get it. What? Oh, it's on this well. Oh, okay. I mean, okay, that makes sense. They need the app life cycle to be there. So cool. I don't know. I'm just like expert. Wow, I'm looking at the JS output. So you got answer and invalidate. I forgot what he means by invalidate. Da 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 da. Da. Start to get a boilerplate though, especially if you're computer subscribed to multiple stores. Yep. So you can reference a store value by prefixing the store name with the $, $money sign, baby. Why cannot look at the count value? Oh, this is when you select count value, count.subscribe. Fucking don't understand. Life cycle hook. Okay, I know what's a life cycle, but I don't know what's a life cycle hook. A life cycle hook. Oh. Shit. Text input, text input. Okay, let's go on mount. He knows I skipped. Loading. He got loading. Dang it! Oh, I feel not motivated not having a lot of people. But it's fine. You have to talk to yourself sometimes, right? You have to talk to yourself sometimes. Life is not great. Live. Okay. I don't know. Let me take a break. Usually people live stream when they have a lot of people. Creating videos are better because I don't know. Live stream is really like you're really gonna spend a lot of time just looking at the person doing stuff. You know? So yep, but it's okay. Humble beginnings. You take the humble and you begin, you know, You know, you know. You don't know. I also don't know lah. Wow. Okay. Cool. You follow me here. Hey, this is so nice. It's never too late to. It's never too late to be the same without you. Ta 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 ta. Don't be. I haven't bathed. That's crazy, right? Okay. I don't feel like doing. It's vanity. I'd rather do this on my own, I guess. I don't know. What did you do? What do you guys think? One view. What do you guys think? Yeah. So I think I'm gonna end. What's DVR? Let me search DVR. Digital video recorders. Ah, okay. It's an electronic device that records video in a digital format to a disk USB. Cool. All right. So I think I will end my stream now because I just don't feel like it. I think streams are really good if you have a good following, but I think I won't do live anymore cause meh. All right. So thank you for listening. Oh my god, I suck. Okay, bye bye. What's this? Create highlight. Yeah.